Now I will tell you what is comment in PHP. In PHP, a comment is actually a line or block of text that is ignored by the PHP interpreter. Comments are used to add the notes or explanations to the code or make it more readable for the other developers. So let's start and see how we can use the comment in PHP. For example, this is a PHP block of code, and here, for example, we want to write something like this is a test. If I run this in my browser, then what will happen? If I run this code in my browser, you will see that this is a test, right? So this is a test. But in order to use the single line comment, what I can do, I can use this symbol. There are two ways to write single line comments. One is this, that is 2 forward slashes I will use to set the comment. For example, I am going to write something here. This is a code that to print something here. This is actually a single line comment. That means if you come to another line, that comment will not work. If you write something, that does not mean that this text will be under this. No, it will not be like that. You see that already there is a error it is showing. That means this comment only can be used as a single line. If you want to write 2 lines, then just enter, then again use that. This is another line of comment. So in this way you can write multi-line comments using the single line comment notation, that is 2 forward slashes. Now if I want to use another single line comment, that is this symbol, this is another comment method, and in this way you can do the same thing. It will work like the same way. But when the comment will be long, for example 8 lines or 10 lines or 20 lines, then what you will do? In each line, using this in the starting is not a good idea, and in that case we can use the multi-line comments. That means like this. So in the multi-line comments, remember that it will start with a forward slash, and another one is asterisk. There is the place where you can write anything, and it will end with an asterisk and then forward slash. So remember this, and you can write anything here. I can write something, I can write anything here. So I am going to copy this text and paste it. You can see that you can write anything. This is flexible. You can write anything like that. So all will be under this comment section, right? Like this. If I run the code, you will see that only the echo will be executed. That means the comment that you will write will not be executed by the PHP interpreter. I hope you have understood how the comment works in PHP.